I haven't filmed a sit down video in so long that, yeah. Hi, how are we all doing today? I just literally hopped out of the shower, applied my products, and I have to do my makeup now because I'm heading to a wedding. I haven't been to a one in so long, so like I'm slightly excited. I'm also excited to be filming in my new space. What do you guys think? This is going to be our background. This is going to be our background, my wardrobe. Except now my wardrobe looks beautiful. Now I don't have empty gaping holes in my wardrobe. I'm actually sitting on my bed. I have this huge bed that allows me to actually sit on the frame, and I can face the light and I can make videos. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of the fan that's going. Once I get a mic, you'll be able to hear my voice much clearer. But yeah, welcome to my channel, welcome to my home, welcome to my space. My cousin is getting married and I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, a classic get ready with me. I'm gonna show you my makeup and my outfit. My hair is already done. My hair is growing really well. It's really growing well and I'm happy. I was very tempted to dye it. I was very tempted to dye it. I was like, this hair is just doing nothing. But I decided what I'm gonna do and you guys will see it. And this is my mirror, guys. This is a really nice mirror. I really love it. I can't wait to get my console because that's where this mirror is gonna sit. Or when I get my table is gonna sit here with this mirror on it. So how are we all doing today, guys? How are we all? Just gonna be filling in my brows with the House of Tara brow pencil. I decided I wanted to try out a pencil from another brand because I've always been using the Davis pencils. So when I went to the House of Tara store, by the way, I did a wear test and review of the House of Tara medium coverage foundation. If you're interested in that, go check it out. I'll link it. It'll pop up here or there. I wanted to try something new, so when I bought the foundation, I also decided to buy the pencil, and the pencil is really nice. It has literally the same consistency of the Davis pencil. My skin is acting up. Oh, I hate when my period comes. My skin acts up. Moving, dealing with the move, dealing with setting this place up has been like stressful. So I think the stress is showing in my skin. It's mostly showing on this side of my skin. I don't know. Am I the only person that's like this? But like when I'm going through something, I withdraw. I honestly withdraw, and that's why you'll notice if you follow me on Instagram, like when I'm going through something, you'll notice you will not see me on social media. You will not see me post anything. I will just like take a couple of days to myself to deal with whatever I'm dealing with. That's what happened when I was like house hunting. That's what happened when I was moving. For like the week of the move, like my first week when I moved in here and I lived here, I was not on social media. I just wasn't in the mood. Because I was just like trying to figure out this place, trying to, just adapt and, figure out my life in this new space I have. So excited to decorate. I know you guys are like, Deola, when are you gonna decorate? Look, decor costs money. And plus there's some things that I have to do, have to figure out first before I think of like doing decor. I don't have a sofa. I don't have a work table. My filming setup is very incomplete. There's supposed to be a table here. The side of the room that I want to be shooting Instagram reels and Instagram videos isn't complete. There's like some stuff there. It'll take some time and it'll take some money, so please, you people should wait. Instagram's algorithm, man, like the fuck. I have seen so many ads for decor stores. Like once I put in Google that I was looking for a new place, Instagram ads started serving me ads for decor places. Every day I discover a new decor vendor or a home vendor or something. Every day I discover a new vendor. If I'm looking for a particular vendor, Instagram is a great way to search, especially if you search hashtags. Hashtags are a good way to search for things as well. Sometimes I just go into Instagram and I type a word and then it shows me accounts with either those words in their bio or in the handle, and I kind of find what I'm looking for. So I use Instagram as a search handle, as a search engine, which is so weird. Instagram isn't a search engine, but it works like that sometimes for me. Once I started not giving a damn about my brows, it's been so much easier for me to do my brows. I need to actually get my brows threaded. I need a day. I need a day at the spa. I need to go to a spa, have someone rub my back, have someone give me a facial, have someone thread my brows. My brows are a mess. The native I'm wearing is green, so I want to play on that a little bit. I'm going to be taking this classic palette from Juvia's Place. As you can see, it's been well used. I'm going to be playing with these three colors, yellow and green, today. I'm really excited to be back filming again. And this video, I'm going to be late because I'm supposed to meet my parents up for 10. But I'm like, I need to film. I want to film. I want to sit down and talk to my people because I haven't sat down and talked to my people in a while. Oh God, I am hungry. I'm actually hungry. I should have eaten. You know, it's so weird. The older you get, the more you realize you need food in your body. I'm realizing it now. I do need food in my body, and I need to not be playing with my eating. I need to actually like feed myself. I signed up for an Eden food plan. If you don't know what Eden is a lifestyle service in Lagos where, you know, they make your food, they basically do your chores for you. So I have a food plan with them and it starts on Monday, and I'm so excited. I've been struggling feeding myself, to be very honest. This is supposed to be a Chit Chatty Get Ready with me, and I don't know what to talk about. I don't want to go on and on about the new house because I feel like you guys will get tired of me doing that. Like, I have a bunch of new home content coming up, and I do not want to absolutely like bore you guys with new home content. I mean, it would signify like the change from my channel being a mostly beauty channel to like a lifestyle channel right now, which I think my channel has always been lifestyle. I've always done more than makeup tutorials. I'm gonna be so late. I'm here blending my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be so damn late. What content would you guys like to see from me in my new place? I'm gonna do a home decor tour. I've already said that. Ooh, I think this is beautiful. I think we're onto something here. So the plan was to do gold then green. So I'm gonna, because I like to apply this with my fingers, I'm gonna start with the gold and pull it. Yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna layer on the green, which is Togo. Whew. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's absolutely gorgeous. Like, the fuck? We're doing a winged look because I feel like this look deserves a wing. There we go. I knew this would have needed a wing. Oh, there we go. The eyes are done. This is the Hyagen Esther primer. I got it at House of Tara. I think I've spoken about it before. It's skin filter primer, shine control, pore blur. It's your regular silicone primer, but it does have like a tiny pink tint to it, which I think helps to brighten the complexion a bit. So I'm just gonna apply that everywhere. Today's foundation is the Newborn Beauty. I'm still using this sample, and I'm trying not to use a lot, to be honest. I don't want to use too much of the foundation. They have called me already that I'm late, and I know I am. But I think once you're done, I don't know how it is for other people, but for me, once I'm done with like my eyes, it's a breeze from here. So I want to go back into doing foundation wear tests and reviews, and I did one already, the House of Tara one, and I want to do more. So I would love your suggestions of which foundations you guys would love for me to review. I've gotten a couple of suggestions for international foundations. I'm thinking of doing the Bobbi Brown foundation. I'm thinking of trying to find a way to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills. The Fenty Beauty foundation is one that I really want to do because I've never tried anything from Fenty Beauty, which is a damn shame, but I love their products. Like, I've never tried any of them, but I already know that they're like, I already feel it from here. I feel it from here. So please, I would love for you guys to drop your suggestions of what foundations you'd like me to review. This brush, I need to replace this brush. Ever since Jackie Ainat taught me about layering concealers, my concealer game has never remained the same. Now I don't use so much anymore. While this concealer is kind of drying small, I'm gonna pull out my jewelry. I'm wearing an off-shoulder dress, so I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna wear my gold chain. I really love wearing this gold chain, and yeah, that's it. And then I'm gonna wear my hoops. I love wearing hoops. I love wearing small hoops and studs. So that is what I shall be wearing for jewelry. Putting in my little baby stud. Now it's time to blend. Man, this thing's sticking out and poking me in the eye. Feels like a bad eyelash. I haven't done my makeup like this in so long that just looking at myself like this is like, it's like it's igniting something in me. I feel like I should have never taken a break from makeup. I didn't take a break, it wasn't on purpose. I just needed to regroup, refocus, you know, because when I go through shit, when I'm having a bad time, I just withdraw from the internet. I withdraw into myself. Like, what am I supposed to do? Show myself crying on Instagram? When I'm going through a tough time, most of the time I'm crying, or I'm lying in bed and I'm thinking. I'm trying to figure out like the situation I'm in. So I don't want to show that. I mean, it'll be realistic, but at the same time, that's not what you guys, you know, came for. Do you guys know how many times I've filmed videos where I'm kind of like burying my soul? There's so many videos that I have deleted where I'm talking to you guys, basically like bearing out my soul about my personal issues or about things that are happening in my life. But those videos never make it because I don't want to be that person that comes to the internet like, you know, I feel like what I do as a content creator is to entertain and to allow people to find an escape. You know, why do you watch YouTube tutorials? Why do you watch videos? You know, you want some entertainment to escape the world you're living in or to escape whatever situation you're in. So I don't want to bring my problems to you guys. That's basically it. I feel like it's weird. Like, yeah, of course, once in a while I'll be like honest and stuff. I'm not trying to say that I'm fake all the time. I just don't know how to, you know, present that on the internet. And, you know, me taking a break, I think works for me. Maybe there's some content creators that, you know, they can work through whenever they're having a bad time. I'm unfortunately not one of those people. Like, when I'm having a bad time, I take a break. I take a step back. I just, you know, I try and reassess the situation, try and solve the situation. Like, posting on Instagram is not the first thing on my mind when I'm going through that kind of situation. As I said, guys, once I'm done with my eyes, it works. Like, it just... See, I'm almost done. I want to spray this down. And thank God I have a fan running above me. So that's going to immediately dry down into my skin. Ooh. Deola still got it, people. Deola still got it. I haven't seen myself like this in such a long time, so excuse the excitement. I am excited. Fuck. Mascara stain. If you're doing your mascara, if you accidentally, you know, stain your nose or poke yourself, wait for it to dry, then chip it off. Don't touch it while it's wet, or else it'll just smear all over your face. This is an oldie but a goodie lipstick. I can't believe this lipstick is still good. It's dead. And this is the finished look, guys. All right, I need to actually run. I need to run, so I'm gonna change to my dress, show you my outfit, and head out. All right, guys, so this is the outfit, and this is my bag right here. My wardrobe is open behind me, but yeah, I'm in a hurry, I'm in a rush. So this is my outfit for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. See you guys in my next video.